This is a 1978 Sea Ray SRV. Boat's actually just a little bit dirty right now, otherwise it isn't bad. 30-foot twin 350 Chevys in it. For an older boat, it's pretty decent. If you're interested in a 30-foot Sea Ray for not a whole lot of money, call Big Water.